In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Netflix gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to redeem a gift card for your Netflix streaming subscription and how to use the same type of code on the Netflix shop. Start by opening your web browser and heading to netflix.com/redeem. This is Netflix's official redeem page where you apply a gift card or code to your account. Once you're there, sign into your Netflix account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account right on that page before you redeem the code. It only takes a minute, and signing in ensures the value gets added to the right place. Next, enter your gift card code. If you have a physical card, gently scratch the back to reveal the code or PIN. If your gift is digital, open the email where you received it and copy the code from there. Type the characters exactly as shown and take a quick moment to double check for common mix-ups like the letter O versus 0. Accuracy here saves time. Click Redeem. As soon as you do, the gift card value is added to your Netflix account as a balance. You don't need to switch anything else. That balance automatically pays for your subscription each month until it runs out. You won't manually choose it at checkout. The system applies it for you in the background. When the balance is used up, billing simply goes back to your regular payment method, or Netflix will prompt you to add one if needed. You can also use a Netflix gift card on the Netflix shop. Open your browser and go to netflix.shop. Browse the collections, add your favorite items to the cart, and proceed to checkout. Look for the discount code field on the checkout page, enter your gift card code there, and click Apply. If the code is valid for the shop, you'll see the discount reflected before you complete your purchase. A few important things to keep in mind. Netflix gift cards work for Netflix streaming subscriptions and on the Netflix shop. The balance is always used automatically for streaming. There's no way to toggle it on and off each month. And if your Netflix account is billed through a third party, like Apple or a bundle from another provider, you may need to change your billing method with Netflix before the gift card can be applied to your subscription. That's it. Redeem at netflix.com/redeem for streaming, or use the code at checkout on netflix.shop for merchandise. Keep your code secure until you're done and enjoy.